Just wanted to show you how the dishwasher operates, how it washes things, and how to organize dishes in the dishwasher. Yeah, this is the dishwasher. And these are the dishes. I want to share with you how to organize the dishes in the dishwasher and how it operates. You will see every bit of it. My name, I'm called Tendo Irene, and the channel name is called Daily Life with Tendo. I'm a housemate here in Saudi Arabia. Don't miss any of my uploads. In that, subscribe down there and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I do upload a new video. Let me jump straight away into the video. Guys, this is finished. I think you can see how I have organized it. You make sure that these ones, everything has a space in it, like here. I think you can see. Now this is finished. Yeah, this is finished. Then you push like this. So you pull out this one. As I told you, it is for glasses and cups. Okay, let me start from this side. After organizing them in the dishwasher, as you can see, you just pull like this and this slowly so that you don't break the dishes, and also this. Then you get your soap. My soap is here. You press here. It is always open. You press here your soap. Then you close. After that, you close like this. Then you have to come here and press I think you can see. Then you press here to go into auto. Then you come here and you start. Then you have to wait for that time, 1 hour and 16 minutes. Then you wait for them to cool down and you remove them. I'll show you every detail. Yeah, after all that, I told you that there are dishes which we don't put in the dishwasher, like plastic, like the trays. You have to wash them by hand. So let us wash our dishes by hands. Let us start. So guys, our dishes are ready now. They are clean. Yeah, you can see. They are so clean. And also these ones are clean. And also these ones are clean. So I'm going to remove them from here and I put them in their drawers like this one. I'll be showing you the drawers, but let me first put them in their suitable drawers. Okay.